DJT stock analysis on price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So yeah, Trump media, we've seen a pretty big retracement towards the end of the week, and I mean, that's just part of the game, I guess. But I'm going to supposedly show you exactly what I'm taking in the next. Just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that has previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I've documented everything. So with this, super simple. I'm looking forward to taking it even higher, but I'm not going to buy unless I see a decent double break. And it ultimately is going to come back down to this. Now, that's the 15-minute chart. When Monday rolls around and we start trading, we might even have some gaps and whatnot. This is why I'm gonna be here to update you guys. But a valid buy for me is gonna be a decent double break here, 15-minute chart at least, right? Or full candle closes, not just the wicks. So definitely keep an eye. I'll put like a caps waiting sign here with exclamation mark. Classic. But yeah, if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.